Before we get started, hit the like button and subscribe.
The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out.
Package just came in. Guess who it's from? Bowers and Wilkins. So I kind of messed this up. Couldn't find no scissors, so we had to use a screwdriver. It's cool though. All right. Let's see what we have here. Yes, it is my replacement headphones. Yay. But they sent it to me in a whole different box. I didn't send them my headphones in this box. Now I lost a good Bowers and Wilkins box. I have no scissors. So, cool. You got it open. Success is what you make it. Trying to do things one-handed. Oh, they gave me all. What is it good? Now I got two aux cords. I have two aux cords now and a new USB-C charger. And here are my new headphones. So as you guys saw, my Bowers and Wilkins headphones came in. I have been without them for a little over a month, 3 weeks. 3 weeks, I've been without them for 3 weeks. I'm so happy to have them back. You have no idea what pain I was in. Now, I have these, right? These Sennheisers, but as you see, they're not wireless. And I really use these for audio editing and editing audio videos, which, I mean, they're Sennheisers. That's what they're good for. Bowers and Wilkins, on the other hand, I mean, noise canceling, wonderful sounds, great subs. It gets everything just right. I mean, people make an argument with Bose and Sony, especially because on Bose and Sony, unlike the Bowers, you can't touch the sides and they actually have physical buttons. But when you really, really break it down and get into like practicality use, I mean, does it matter if it's physical buttons or a touch surface side? Not really. Also, Bowers and Wilkins customer support, hey, by the way, they did not pay me to do any of this at all. This is not a paid promotion. But Bowers and Wilkins customer support, thank you for helping me. See, I didn't get a Best Buy protection plan on them, and I bought these from Best Buy. I don't usually get a Best Buy protection plan on anything. I work there, but we'll say that for another video. But these Bowers and Wilkins, right? They're $400 headphones. They're made very well. Somehow, though, this piece right here, broke off. I have no idea how. I put them away, woke up the next morning, and literally the headphone just said swoop, and it was hanging by the wire that's built into here. Crazy. I had two options. A, buy some new headphones, which I got these at a steal. They were $350 during discount last Christmas. I know, $50. Still, what is this world coming to? They're back at $400 now. I don't know. They might be at $350. Not sure. Haven't checked the price lately. Yeah, but they were like very well made. They're very durable. So them breaking was a surprise to me. I emailed the warranty department. They said, hey, we don't. I was like, hey, do y'all repair or how does the warranty work? He's like, just send it to us. We'll take a look at it. And then, you know, if we can tell that they weren't damaged from using them incorrectly, we'll just send you a new pair. As you see, they just sent me a new pair. It took me forever to do this though. And it wasn't their fault. It was my fault. I kind of procrastinated on sending it in, procrastinated on emailing them back. And I'm thankful to the guy, James, for working with me on it. These are very good headphones, by the way. When I say good, I mean, Bowers Wilkins, if you ever been inside a Mercedes or any car that has Bowers Wilkins speakers, not the, I think it's like Harmon Kudar, I don't know, the HK speakers. Any of the cars with the HK speakers, now those are good too, right? Bowers Wilkins, I mean, these look sleek and fancy, right? These smell rich, but they have great audio quality. Bose, known for audio too. Bose is not bad audio quality, not bad noise canceling. Matter of fact, their noise canceling is probably better than the Bowers and Wilkins, but their audio quality is not better than the Bowers Wilkins. Plus, it's Bowers and Wilkins. Why would I buy Bose? Ugh, buy Bose speakers. Ugh, headphones. Ugh. Why would I? I mean, my car got Bose speakers in it, but that's a different story. I didn't put those in there. This is Olivia. This is my girlfriend when she's. This is my girlfriend. Yeah. She's a doctor, scientist. She's a scientist. See, she has goggles, everything, poofy hair. There she goes. I am mad at Bowers and Wilkins for one thing. They sent me this box. This is not the original packaging box that I bought my thing in. I don't get my big sleep box back, but at the same time, the big sleep box was just up at the top of the closet, so who cares? If y'all want good over-the-ear noise canceling headphones, this is the way to go. I'm gonna tell you why this is the way to go. Airplanes, perfect. I can go to sleep with these on. I can watch a movie with these on. I can listen to music with these on and not be bothered by anybody. So, noise canceling is good for that. Coffee shops. I mean, once you be able to go back to them again. Coffee shops. This is perfect in those. No bothering. Nobody to bother me. Plus, the thing I love about them, there's an app that goes with it. And with the app, they have different ambient noises like waterfalls and water sounds. So if you ever just want to meditate, the app got you covered. Plus, you can hook these up to 2 devices at once and it'll switch between both devices. Which, I mean, most headphones have that nowadays, but, it's a great feature. It also has the transparency mode, but, I mean, are you really using these for transparency mode? The only headphones, I mean, like the in-ear wireless earbuds, like those, you barely use transparency. I mean, are you really using transparency mode? When are you really using that mode? And it's kind of oxymoronic that you have that inside of a noise canceling headphone. So you're like, I want noise, don't want noise, whatever. Yeah, so Bowers and Wilkins, thank you. If y'all want some great quality headphones, shop at Bowers and Wilkins. If you want to see more videos to come soon, subscribe so you don't have to wait for me to pop up on your feed and you just get a notification right away. Thank you, and we're out.